This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Billy Brown and Tonya Wahl. Wonderful creek front Birch Bay getaway located in the heart of Birch Bay. Mostly remodeled, new kitchen with granite counters, new bathroom with walk-in shower, new mini split heat pumps, all the flooring is new, plumbing replaced, new west-facing rear deck overlooking Terrell Creek with hot tub. Terrell Creek connects to the saltwater front, kayak from your back deck, easy walking distance to beach. Use it for a weekend retreat and vacation rental. This one is turnkey ready for the summer fun. For more information, review the details below or contact Billy Brown and Tonya Wahl at 360-220-7175.